and we are doing a Sunday reset. Me and my husband are going to go to the lake, so I'm very excited. He just got home from playing golf with his friends, and now he's actually going to do something with me, so I'm very happy because usually he's always working, and when he's not working, he's playing golf with his friends. So, or he's bowling now, guys, all the time, bowling. So he never has time for me. That's why I'm so lucky to have you dolls to chit chat and do fun stuff with, because I'm always, in the house working. So anyway, guys, now I did just make a smoothie, so I am, prepping, getting my energy up for the lake. But today I put yogurt in here. It tastes so good. I just put some yogurt, some berries, some Greek yogurt, berries, and oh, I put a little bit of some kind of like vitamin water, zero sugar type of thing. So let's have a little sip. Woo. This is amazing. I've been having so many smoothies now. It's so quick and easy just to make a smoothie. So, I've been doing just even water with electrolytes, but it just comes out just so delicious. It's so loud out here. I hope, okay, I don't know if you guys just heard that, but that was, you know, I guess it was a motorcycle, but you'll hear Ferraris going by and they're like racing. It sounds like actually an airplane taking off. So, because they like to drive around the lake. And so, they do, like they're racing even in the middle of the night, like 3 o'clock in the morning. You'll hear them racing and their engines are so powerful. Again, it just sounds like a jet taking off. But anyway, okay, so I got this package today, so I figured before I'm waiting for my husband, so really quickly we can unbox it and, see what it is. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, wow. It's from NARS. It's something really, really different. Oh, what is it? It's supposed to look like film reel. Oh, it says pull to reveal. So, oh my gosh, it looks like old fashioned, film. Oh my gosh. I wonder if these are actual pictures. Oh, was it? Oh my gosh. I would thought that was, you know what? I thought that was Cindy Crawford, like actual old pictures of Cindy Crawford. It's not. It's her daughter, Kaya. She looks exactly like her in these pictures. Oh my gosh. I love Kaya. I think she's so beautiful. I love Cindy Crawford. I used to love Cindy Crawford. I mean, I love, I love models. I love beauty. So I love models. I love, all the things, fashion, beauty. But, yeah, how do you open this? Because I think she's the face now. Kaya Gerber, Cindy Crawford's daughter, is the face of NARS. So I'm not sure how to open this. Imagine that was it. That's it. But I'm sure there's something. It's got to be. Oh, this is such a great box to keep, like on my desk. But I can't figure out how to open it. So this is not good because you can hear there's something in there. Okay, here it is. Oh, it's their mascara. You guys stop. I don't have mascara on right now, so I could actually put this on right now. And I was thinking, I wanted to put mascara on today, but then I didn't have time. But since I'm waiting for my husband, we can try this really quickly. Wow. So this is the NARS Notorious Mascara, Steal the Scene. Wow. So, oh my gosh. I didn't curl my lashes, but I'll be back and we'll do another one with the curled lashes because I just want to try this so bad right now. So let's see here. There's two of them. So it's one black and one brown. I'm not sure. But look at this box. Wow. What is Roxy doing? Can you see this? Oh my gosh, look at how cute. I can't wait to put this on my desk. I'm not even going to put this on my vanity. I'm putting this right on my desk. I love that. Wow, it's so beautiful. Okay, do I have a mirror here though? Let's see, because I don't have, of course, my lash curler, but I must have a mirror. Come on. How does a girl not have a mirror? Okay, let's grab my bag here. This is just my beach bag. Well, it's not a real beach, it's the lake, so it's just not going to get sand on them. But anyway, you can use it as a beach bag. Okay, let's see here. I got to have, come on. I don't even care. If I don't have a mirror in here, I don't care. I'm gonna use you dolls as the mirror, okay? Um, Come on. Please do not do me wrong. I know I had them. Where is it? Oh, here it is. You guys, my number one jam right here, which I hope they still make this because I'm in love with this. And I'm running out of this shade here. Also about to hit pan on the pink. That's my favorite. So, I don't know if they still make it though, because I think this was from last year. But hopefully they have a new one. Hopefully they still have this because these are these are just everything for traveling. Because I use this for my bronzer, my eyeshadow, everything, and then the blush. And you look ready to go. Okay, so let's just really quickly try this mascara though, guys. Again. Okay, if my lashes were curled, I'm sure it'd come out better, but that's fine. Let's just see. Um, wow. You can really feel it separating each lash. So that's really nice. And what do you guys think? Do you see a difference? I really like it. It's very natural looking. So this is a great option if you want to look like you don't have any makeup or any mascara on, but you just want your eyes to look more wide awake and things like that. So let's see here. Now, I was watching a beauty YouTuber, Jam Damien, I believe her name is. And she was saying you have to wait for one coat to dry before you go in with another coat. Do you guys do that? I normally don't do that. Oh, there's one of these ones here. I wish I put this on first. Or maybe it doesn't matter. It's that kind of brown color that has a hint of like red and warmth to it that really makes your eyes pop. So, I wanted to get one of these too. Another thing I was watching a girl do her lashes the other day, and she put one coat on, like I just did, and then the second coat just touches the tips of the lashes. So I'm trying that right now. I've been watching so many videos. Guys, I'm obsessed. I think I truly am obsessed with YouTube. I love YouTube so much. I've just, for a long time, I've just been watching sort of self-help videos. That's what I've been watching, I learned so much. If I didn't watch those narcissism videos, I would never have learned and I would have a totally different life because thanks to those videos, I learned how to get away from narcissists, how to do gray rock, ignore them. I mean, YouTube changed. I'm saying of course, YouTube is so much fun. I met you beauties. I have so much fun with you guys, and that is life changing and amazing and the best thing ever. But also, if I didn't watch those narcissism videos, wow, I don't think I would be. I don't know what, guys. I wouldn't even be because I don't want to talk too much about it. I don't want to trigger myself because I did trigger myself speaking about this the other day, but I learned how to deal with people that were really, really doing bad things, messing with me. And I really used everything I learned to, get away from them and transform my life. So if I didn't learn that, I would have let them win, but I learned so much also. I learned just so much about everything. I mean, I've been watching self-help videos and just learning about the Bible on here, learning that I don't think I went to Catholic school growing up. I never knew any of the things I learned on here on YouTube from watching priests and watching different people speak, even Joel Osteen. I would never started going to church if it wasn't for Joel Osteen because I was watching one of his videos and he was saying how you have to go to church. It's so important. And I didn't really realize that it was so important to go to church. I thought it was just great that I love God. But he was saying, no, you really need to go once a week. And I remember he said, go once a week for a year. And he said, you won't believe how your life changes. And I did that and it really did change my life. So I wouldn't have learned that if it wasn't from watching Joel Osteen on YouTube. Guys, what do you think of these lashes? I love them. They're gorgeous. They're so natural looking. Again, when I curl my lashes, it'll make a huge difference, but I don't have my lash curler here with me. But anyway, guys, thank you so much to NARS for sending that to me. I will be back with a better demo with, with the curler, but this is amazing. I love the way this looks. It looks super natural and they're so lightweight. They're not weighing my eyes down. I noticed that some mascaras kind of weigh my eyes down and they look kind of droopy, but this actually made my eyes look wide awake, like wider, bigger. So that's amazing. So anyway, let me go because my husband's waiting for me now and we're going to go head down to the lake now. so many people out on the lake. And so we are having the best time. Finally got to wear my Skims Roberto Cavalli swimsuit too. And I actually even washed my hair. I never washed my hair, but I actually washed my hair today. So I am definitely, just feeling all the vibes. And I have to tell you, this lip is so good. It does not budge. It's one of these Dior lip tints. So this is it. The one that I'm wearing today, this is the one I'm wearing today, is called Rosewood, I believe. But I also have Natural Tea, which is so gorgeous too. But these do not budge. And then you can put your lip liner on top, or underneath. I actually did these two. So, but if you don't put, either way, if you just have this on, it is not going to budge. It's so gorgeous. And then I had to show you this too. I'm obsessed with this lip liner from MAC. It's called Beetroot. So I'm just going to freshen up my lip here. But you guys, I am obsessed, especially for the summer, especially if you love a budge-proof lip, budge-proof makeup. This is definitely going to do it for you. I am going to go in the water, guys. Since I was little, I never wanted to go in certain water, in the lake. I don't know why. I'm a little scared. I used to be a camp counselor, and and it was on a lake, and they would say, you have to go in the water. I was just like, oh my God, I just didn't want to go in the water ever. Do I not want my hair to get wet? Possibly. Because I finally, like I said, I finally washed it. I finally styled it. So do I want it to get messed up? Not really. So that has a lot to do with it. And guys, how cute are these sunnies? I actually had these from a while back. They're YSL, but they're those shield style. So I feel like this is definitely on trend, and I bought these like over 10 years ago. So that's what's really good about, saving your fashion. A lot of times, pretty much every time things come back. So, because this is, I feel like this is the look now. What do you guys think? And guys, how cute is this? It's a scarf that I just got from Naturum. So they just sent this with their new sunscreen, and it's this really gorgeous. It's a scarf. It's so silky. It's the most beautiful color. So you could definitely wear this a bunch of different ways, And let's see here, pirate life, right? So what do you think, scarf or no scarf? It's good to help your hair to not get messed up in the wind, you know what I mean? So that's the good thing about the scarf. It's going to help protect the hair. So what do you guys think? But a lot of cute options with this. A lot of people, of course. Let's see here. You see people doing it like this, but this isn't really my look. That's not really me, but I just figure for the fun of it, right? But yeah, no, this is more me right here. This is me. This is my look. What do you guys think? That's something I would definitely do, and helps keep your hair back. So how do you guys like to wear a scarf? I think that's cute. Of course, I have to fix it. I can't really see that good here. But so anyway, let me go. My husband's waiting for me. He's already out on the lake. So I'll be back and try to fix. I should leave this. I'm not sure. Okay, let's take it out because I'm pretty much for the au natural look, Okay, so there's my neighbor. He's watching me. Okay, I'll be back with you, but look how my succulent is growing. I looked this up on Google, and they said this is actually called a pup. And there's two of them, and they said it's gonna get bigger. That's that little kind of rosette in the center. That's the pup. And they said it's basically having a baby, you guys. Look, isn't it beautiful? And then there's another one right there. So they said it's gonna get bigger, and then you actually cut it and you take it off when it gets bigger and you put it in another pot. So that's the baby. Isn't that cute? I couldn't believe it. They said my succulent is having a baby. Actually, he's having 2 babies. So isn't that sweet, guys? So anyway, dolls, I'll be back soon, and I love you guys so much. So I'll talk to you later. Love you.